Hi everyone, you did it. You made it to week 14, the last week of the semester. You've done such a good job. It's not always easy doing online writing courses, and so many of you stepped up and just kept trying and listened to feedback and kept improving, and I'm really, really impressed. And so Leslie, there's not a whole lot going on this next week. I'm going to start right here, because this is simply where I'm going to be posting this video. And the next thing we're going to be writing, the main thing that we're going to be doing this week is just a short reflection essay. So reflection is not just this cutesy little wrap up or a fun activity. Reflection is actually very important in the learning process, especially as college students when you are receiving so much information from so many different professors and classes and from so many different directions, that all we can do sometimes is just throw this information in the back of our minds and then plow on to the next thing. And it is really important to take time towards the end or periodically to stop and kind of like dredge that neural pathway back to that information, pull it back into our conscious and think, okay, what in the world did I just do? What happened here? What did I experience? What did I practice? What did I fine tune? And how can I apply it in other situations? That's key, right? It does you all no good to simply write in this class and then leave everything that you learned in the class as you leave. Transferring the ways of thinking, the writing strategies, the rhetorical moves that we learned in this class into other situations, other writing situations outside of class, that's the whole goal, right? And so reflecting, thinking back on what we did helps, like I said, forge those neural pathways more and make them more obvious and more conscious, and so they're more usable. Okay, and so it's really important. This kind of reflective writing is really important in the learning process. So looking at what we've done, there's some great instructions here. And that is it. That is it. Look for my feedback on your essay. Look for any kind of messages you might receive from me. If there's any kind of issues with files or anything like that, make sure that I can get in contact with you if there's any questions that I have as I'm doing the final grades and stuff. But go celebrate, take a long nap, take a vacation, pat yourself on the back, because you have done something really, really difficult. And I hope you have a great week. All right, bye-bye.